Dear students and parents, if you want to receive authentic and relevant information for various competitive examinations, please like and subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page Nigam Sir's IIT Rankers Institute. Thanks. This video will give you information about National Olympiad Program in Science subject for 2020-2021. This year, due to Corona pandemic, some major changes have been made. Only for 2020-21 cycle, the selection process will be of 2 stages instead of usual 3 stages. The schedule. The tentative schedule of Indian Olympiad Qualifier Examinations is as under. Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Junior Science, January 17, 2021, Sunday, 14:30 hours to 17:30 hours. Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Astronomy, 6th February 2021, Saturday, 9 to 12 hours. Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Chemistry, 6th Feb 2021, Saturday, 14:30 to 17:30 hours. Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Physics, February 7, 2021, Sunday, 9 to 12 hours. Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Biology, February 7, 2021, Sunday, 14:30 to 17:30 hours. Please note that this schedule is tentative and is subject to change at short notice, depending on the prevailing pandemic situation in the country. Online enrollment. Online enrollment for Indian Olympiad Qualifier is expected to start on IAPT website iaptexam.in by 15th October 2020. Examination details. The Indian Olympiad Qualifier in each subject will be a combination of 2 examinations held in a single sitting for the examinee. Part 1. National Standard Examination. This will replace the standalone NSE of other years. The duration of this part will be 1 hour and will consist of multiple choice questions similar in standard to the usual NSE. This part will be a screening examination for selective evaluation of the second part, Indian National Olympiad only, and performance in part 1 will not play any role in selection for the next level. This part 1 of Indian Olympiad Qualifier in different subjects will be called National Standard Examination in Astronomy, Biology, Chemistry, Junior Science and Physics, NSEA, NSEB, NSEC, NSEJS and NSEP respectively. Part 2. Indian National Olympiad. This will replace the standalone INO of other years. The duration of this part will be of 2 hours and will consist of subjective questions similar in standard to the usual INO. This part will be evaluated only for students screened through the first part, and the selection for the next level will be determined only by the performance in this part. This part of IOQ in different subjects will be called Indian National Olympiads in Astronomy, biology, chemistry, junior science and physics, INAO, INBO, INCHO, INJSO and INPHO respectively. What is different this year? Earlier, there was national standard exam 2-hour duration in November. Students were qualified in national standard exam. Students who qualified in national standard exams appeared in Indian National Olympiad in January-February next year for selection to orientation cum selection camp. This year, Indian National Olympiad and National Standard Exam have been merged together into a single exam called Indian Olympiad Qualifier due to the corona pandemic. Also, duration of part 1 called National Standard Exam is 1 hour only. Immediately after part 1, student attempts part 2 without knowing whether he has cleared part 1 or not. तो आपको पार्ट 1 देना होगा जो कि 1 घंटे का है और इमीडिएटली उसके बाद तुरंत बाद आपको पार्ट 2 भी देना होगा और आपको ये नहीं मालूम होगा कि पार्ट 1 आप क्लियर करेंगे या नहीं, तो आप पार्ट 1 को क्लियर करें या ना करें, पार्ट 2 भी आपको देना होगा। लेकिन पार्ट 2 का पेपर उन्हीं बच्चों का चेक किया जाएगा जो पार्ट 1 को क्वालिफाई करेंगे, जिनके पार्ट 1 में एक मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स या रैंक आएगी। Part 2 papers will be evaluated only for students screened by Part 1. What change in preparation strategy is required? Earlier, students could opt to prepare for NSE till November and then practice for INO in the next 2 months. This year, students will be required to prepare for both Part 1 and Part 2 simultaneously, as both papers will occur in a single sitting. So, dear students, please change your preparation strategies accordingly and work hard if you dream to represent India in Olympiad. Thanks.